Welcome on wEKool tutorials. In this short video we will show you how to register on the wEKool selection software. First, we open an internet browser and type the site address in the search bar, wEKool.Euroklimat.it. Once the page has been loaded, click on Register to proceed with the creation of your account. Let's proceed with filling in all the fields. Enter your name, surname and your username, which will be used to log in into the website. Type the password you intend to use. Attention! The password must have at least 8 types, an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number, and a special type such as the exclamation point. Type your email address and type it a second time for confirmation in the next field. In the next section, report the data relating to your company: name, address, city, country, and zip code. Add then your phone number. Fax is an optional field. By clicking on Privacy Conditions, you can view all the terms, conditions, and privacy policy that you have to accept in order to use the website. After that, tick the checkbox alongside to confirm terms acceptance. At this point, click on Submit Request. The website will inform you that you will shortly receive a confirmation email. So, let's open the mailbox, where after a few moments you will find a message of account registration request. We suggest to check spam folder if the message is not in the list of incoming emails. Attached to the email, you will find a copy of the terms and conditions previously accepted. As soon as a member of the wEKool team has verified and approved your request, you will receive an additional email confirming the activation of your account. Returning on the website, it will be now possible to log in by entering your username and password. Welcome to wEKool, Euroklimat selection software.